buzzer, 100-pin breadboard, 9-volt battery, switch and few sample wires. The project main concept in this project is implemented in companies, plants and industry. There will be no accident. As soon as there is a fire in the company, the fire detection sensor sends a signal to the Arduino, turns off all the electricity in the company. The fire detection sensor as well as siren off. All the employees, workers, they need a signal sound and alert the employees. Doing so will save the lives of all the employees working in the company. By installing this fire detection sensor project, the materials, explosives, etc. in the company will be safe. Now we present the demo of this project. This is the demo. Thank you.
My name is Janvi. I am studying 7th class at LPH School, Tiruvallur. Good morning everyone. My name is Tejasvi. I am studying 7th class at LPH School, Tiruvallur. This project name is Anti-Slip Alarm and Vehicle Accidents Prevention System. The main components of this project: rechargeable batteries, 100-pin breadboard, fuse jumper wires, relay module, gear, motor, regulating IC. The main concept of this project is the many vehicles implemented in all vehicles, accidents will be avoided because even if the driver of the vehicle fall asleep or by mistake, the ID doesn't work, immediately signal to the engine. The driver will alert you. Most of the drivers who drive vehicles for a long time and fall asleep because of the sleep catches the vehicle to become dangerous. This process is also implemented in all vehicles to avoid such accidents. No accident will happen. Now I will say few demo. My name is Sanjay. I am studying 7th class in ZPH School, Tiruvallur. My project name is LED Matrix Scrolling Project. My project components are Arduino Uno, 8x8 LED matrix, fuse amplifiers, rechargeable batteries. Project main concept: presentation of text, comment in scrolling from the text. Comment will can be presented through this project from scrolling. By implementing this project in the bus station and railway station, the arrivals and departures from the scrolling will be seen in the from of the scrolling. Also, this project can be used for Exploring names for weddings and decorations in our home. This project demo
Good morning everyone. My name is Asali Nadu. I am studying 9th class at ZPHS School, Kuruvadu.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mahesh. I am studying 9th class at ZPHS School, Kuruvadu. My project name is Flight Detection with Servo Motors. My project components are Arduino Uno, Light Detection Sensor, IQ Sensor, rechargeable batteries, and servo motor, field controllers, and etc.
Main concept of this project are in range. Every object can be safe and give shelter to us. In this project, the sensors will give shelter and will make product to us. The example, recently vehicles and the monsoon rains destroy the rains and the farmers go through losses. On this time, this project helps us to
and some people were died. So my project is that to prevent accidents and save people's etc. My project is aimed to prevent the train accidents. At Odisha, so many people are died. Then I am aiming to create a project. Then this project is thought to my mind. So I want to create this project. Okay. I use some components in this project. They are ultrasonic sensor, Arduino Uno, 800 pin breadboard, 9 volt chargeable batteries, 9 volt adapter, 3 buzzers, so few LEDs and few jumper wires. This project is working as ultrasonic sensor signal to the train when any body or